Jai Sachidanand. Sanjay Bhai, is my voice audible? Brilliant. Uh, First and foremost, Jai Sachidanand from the land of ancient wisdom. My name, my meaning, the name of this mind, body, and speech is Hiten Rita Patel, and I am the soul which is observing Hiten right now delivering this speech. I am a full time sannyasi, as Sanjay Bhai has said. I have given up all the attachments of sansar, all the attachment of worldly attachments, and I live my life completely by serving mankind in the selfless manner. So, in that context, Sanjay Bhai invited me to give my theory on Corona, and that's where I am. Thank you so much, Sanjay Bhai, for giving me this platform. Uh, Before I move on, my legal team always tells me whichever country I go that I need to put up the legal disclaimer. So the legal disclaimer, as my legal team always tells me to put up, is this is not a medical opinion. This is not replacement to any medical treatment. Please consult your medical doctor before implementing anything that's being said in this session. Okay, having gone through this, before I start, I just want you to come to a philosophical aspect or the spiritual aspect of Corona or COVID. If we have to understand Corona, if we have to understand COVID, we need to go far deeper than what's there on the surface. And that's where my theory is going to be. We need to understand theory of evolution. The theory of evolution says that whenever the environment becomes conducive, the organisms have their colonies there. Please understand this slightly better. Whenever the environment is conducive, the organism builds their colonies there. Which means instead of focusing ourselves on Corona, can we focus on ourselves? If we focus, that's fine. I have said the legal disclaimer, Bhai, so you can keep it off now. Thank you. So instead of looking at Corona as an outsider and then focusing everything to destroy it, am I visible? Because I see only a blank computer screen now. Yeah, fine. That's great. So the starting point of my theory is the theory of evolution. If our body becomes conducive, only then the organism will have colonies within us. So if our body is not conducive, no organism can have colonies inside our body. That's the simple theorem of evolution. And when you look at it from the point of Tattva, or when you look at it from the point of Sanatan Dharma, you can now correlate the two. The Hindu philosophy or the Sanatan Dharma philosophy basically says whatever was valid in the past is valid now, will also be valid in future. So the Sanatan Dharma says the modalities or the protocols of treatment which was valid prior to the pandemic should also be valid during the time of pandemic, should also be valid post pandemic. The protocols and the modality has to be Sanatan. So when Hiten was developing this theory, Yeah, great, great, great. So, taking the clue from our Sanatan Dharma, we need to develop modalities and protocols which is valid prior to corona, which is valid when you are actually infected by corona, and should also be valid post you are out of corona. And this has been the question that Hiten has been asking past lot many years to the medical treatment fraternity, like the protocols and the modalities that you have for a particular disease, is it Sanatan? So can you have the same medicine even if you are not diabetic? Can you have the same medicine even if you are diabetic? Or can you have the same medicine after the disease is over, say typhoid? And the entire theory that Hiten has developed is based on theory of evolution and theory of Sanatan Dharma, which is what I am going to now say in next 7-8 minutes. The first thing is, for immunity, there are two extremely essential items. One is vitamin C and another is zinc. Avla, or gooseberry as is called, is extremely powerful source of vitamin C. Amla or gooseberry has 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin C is very sensitive to heat, but amla has a property whereby you can have amla without real depletion of vitamin C in any form, in form of juice, in form of powder, in form of candies, in form of murabba, in form of pickle. The first modality that Hiten is going to suggest is have one amla a day in any form. Whether the third wave will come or not, fourth wave will come or not, if your body will become conducive, you will be affected by third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, so on and so forth. But if your body is not conducive, no wave can affect you. Amla is your first modality, first protocol that you must have. One amla every day. The second is one bowl of dal. To all my Indian and Pakistani and Bangladeshi friends, we all know what dal is. It's a plantain soup. Please have one bowl of amla, one bowl of dal every day. Let it be moong dal, tur dal, masoor dal, chana dal, chickpeas dal, any form of dal. Amla dal has lots and lots of zinc, and when you have zinc rich diet, it will have tremendous impact on your immunity. So the second modality or protocol that Hiten would suggest would be to have one bowl of dal every day as part of your diet, which you can have even if you are not corona infected, even if you are corona infected, and even after you are crossed corona infection. Sanatan, valid in past, valid in present, valid in future. The next protocol that Hiten would suggest is Bhramari Pranayam. Lot of research has happened on this field, and they have found out that when you do Bhramari Pranayam, nitrous oxide gets generated and lot of nitrous oxide is provided to your lungs. The basic characteristics of nitrous oxide is antiviral. So when you have antiviral nitrous oxide in your lungs, the spread of virus stops. Just do 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam in the morning, first thing. Just do 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam in the night. and during the day, whenever you have time, just maybe 1 or 2 rounds. So let me just show it to you how to do Brahmari Pranayam. This is all our ancient Indian wisdom says. So Brahmari Pranayam, you just shut your ears, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, don't open your mouth, and the way honeybee does the humming, just do that humming, so the vibration generates the nitrous oxide, and same time just exhale. So you'll do it like this. This protocol can be done before corona, if you are infected by corona, and even post corona. The next, this area of our hand, the one which is protruded outside, this area, it has lot of points which is connected to your respiratory system. So just do 5 rounds, just do 5 minutes of acupressure on these points in both the hands. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the night. All your respiratory points, all your lung points will get the acupressure impact of this. And all your organs related to respiratory system and lungs will strengthen. The next, where I am doing lot of research, is on mudras. This, our Rishi Munis used to have it. So Prana Mudra, basically how mudras operate is, our body is made up of 5 elements. Pancha Mahabhuta Tattva. Fire, Vayu, space, matter, and water. When you join the tip of any of the element to the tip of thumb, that element gets balanced. So when you do Prana Mudra, you join the tip of matter, the earth, and the tip of water to the tip of Agni. Ayurveda says immunity is the factor of Ojas. Ojas is from Kapha and Tejas is from Pitta. So when you do these two, your immunity gets increased, it gets balanced. And all I would suggest is, in the night when you sleep, all you do is you just tape this. One gentle round in the night, so that this mudra will stay with you for 6 hours, 7 hours, and this will give you beautiful sleep. The next modality I would suggest is application of edible coconut oil on all the exposed parts of your body. Coconut oil has lauric acid, and whenever the virus comes in contact with the lauric acid, the outer envelope of the virus gets destroyed. So just apply coconut oil on the exposed parts of your body and outer layer of your nostrils. And the last thing is, let's do the prayer to live in harmony. Because if I don't hurt you, you will never hurt me. The ancient Indian philosophy. So every morning when I get up and every night when I sleep, I do prayer thinking of the God. Hey God, let me not harm anyone. Let everyone in this universe stay in harmony. Let the virus also stay in harmony. Let me also stay in harmony. I don't harm them, they don't harm me. So this is the modality, this is the theorem that Hiten has been talking about to deal with coronavirus. Thank you so much for all the time and all the attention you gave. Jai Satchidanand.